Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you 3 VLC player tips and tricks and hidden features you must know. So the 3 VLC player tricks which you're going to see in this video are how to access VLC player from web browser, how to create wall of videos from VLC player and how to create a jigsaw puzzle from VLC player. Apart from that, the bonus tip which I'm going to show in this video is how to rotate a video in VLC player. So these are the 3 VLC player tips and tricks and hidden features which you are going to see in this video. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my latest tech tips and tricks. As the stage has been set, let's get started. So the first trick which we are going to see is how to access VLC player from the web browser. So go to start and open VLC player by searching for VLC player and hit enter. It opens the VLC player. Then go to tools and click on preferences. It opens simple preferences dialog box and select interface, and at the bottom you could see simple and all under show settings. So select all option. Next scroll down till you find interface and click on the main interfaces, and you must check the box called web. Next expand this main interface by clicking on the arrow button and click on the LUA, and under LUA HTTP just give the password which you want. Then click on save button. Once you click on the save button, close the VLC player and restart the VLC player by reopening it. So go to start button, search for VLC and reopen the VLC player. Now go to web browser and in the address bar type localhost colon 8080 and hit enter. It asks for the username and password. As we have not set any username, leave that field blank and go to password and enter the password which you have set previously in the VLC player and click on sign in. And you could see all the VLC media player controls on your web browser. So you can play, move forward, backward. You can even select the view. You can even select the media or full screen, and you can even manage the volume over here, and you can even just scroll on the timeline of the video over here. So this is one of the trick of VLC media player where you can access all the controls of VLC media player using web browser. So this is a simple trick to access VLC media player from the web browser. So here comes the next trick. The next trick is how to create a wall of videos from VLC player. So just open VLC player, go to tools and select effects and filters option. Select video effects tab, and under video effects tab, go and select geometry tab and select the checkbox wall. And you could see it shows both rows and columns. So you can adjust the number as you want. So let me go for 2 rows and 2 columns. That means that my video will be divided into 4 parts. Click on save, just close it. Just go to the video which you want to play in the VLC player and drag it to the player and click on play button. And whenever it starts playing the video, it divides the video into 4 equal parts. You could see that it has divided the video into 4 equal parts. So you can just drag each individual part playing its own video. You could see that 4 equal parts of the same video and each individual part is playing the part of the video. So this is the way to create wall of videos in VLC player. It just divides the video into 4 equal parts. As I've said, 2 rows and 2 columns. If you want, you can create even more number of parts of the videos by giving more number of rows and more number of columns. So this is another trick to create wall of videos from VLC player. And if you want it to be playing as a single video, then again go to tools, effects and filters, video effects, geometry, and uncheck the wall option. And it plays as a single video. And the next trick which you must know is how to create a jigsaw puzzle in VLC player. So what you need to do is just go and play any video from VLC player. You can drag and drop into VLC player, or you can play it directly in the VLC player. And while playing the video, just go to tools, effects and filters, video effects, geometry, and under here you could see a puzzle game. So just check the box puzzle game and have 2 rows and 2 columns. So just click on the puzzle game and click on save, and you could see that the video has been divided into 4 equal parts, as I said, 2 columns and 2 rows. Now you need to clear the puzzle or complete the puzzle by dragging the parts and matching them. So you can move each individual part of this puzzle game and make a selection. Whenever you found a selection or whenever you found a match, just bring those 2 parts together and they get attached, and you can move them as a single selection. So these are the 2 parts which are left. Let me complete this game, and you could see that these are 2 parts, and when I've done, these 2 parts as completed as single selection and they can be moved separately. And here is the other 2 parts. So this is a way to create a puzzle game. So if you want to create a very easy puzzle game, make sure you have less number of rows and columns. And if you want to create a more complex puzzle game, then you can keep more number of rows and columns. So these are the 3 tips and tricks of VLC player and hidden features of VLC player which you must know. There's a bonus tip like to show how to rotate a video in the VLC player. By just being in the video effects under geometry tab, you can see an option called transform and rotate. You must check both of these options. You can use a pointer in the rotate section by just moving the angle, and you could see that the video has been rotated. So these are the few tips and tricks of VLC player and hidden features which you must know. If you find this video useful, please like and share the video, and if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my latest tech tips and tricks. See you soon.